Hi guys, it is me, Ada. Welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to start a YouTube channel. Alright, so my journey to starting a YouTube channel was kind of a spur of the moment decision because I started a business last summer with my kids, and my whole purpose of starting a YouTube channel is to bring awareness to our business, okay? And the initial plan was for my daughter to be YouTubing, because she already has a YouTube channel. She's had it for a couple of years, but she only does it for fun. And so, you know, I realized that to create an audience, you need consistency, and you have to be consistent in making these videos regularly. But she just does it for fun, and she's a full-time student, so she just doesn't really have a lot of time to make these videos. So I was like, okay, well, let me start a channel and help her out. Okay, we can do the videos together, and sometimes if she doesn't have time, I can just do them, you know, by myself. So that is how I got started with YouTubing, and they taught me because she has a channel, my son has a channel, they know what to do, and I had no clue because, you know, when they're making videos, I'm thinking, well, what are you doing? You know, like, you know, so now I know, you know, it's, yeah, they taught me, but you know how kids are. They taught me bits and pieces, and it took a long time till I figured it out because, you know, they will teach me one thing, and then it's like, okay, so what's next? You know, and it will take a couple of days for them to make time to teach me the next step, and then it's like, okay, now what? You know, so it took a while. So now that I have learned all of the steps, I want to help you guys out and show you guys all the steps so that you don't have to take a long time to know what the steps are to becoming a YouTuber. Okay, so let's get going with it. So the first thing is how to start a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna do a series of all these steps, right? So the first step is going to be how to start a YouTube channel, and after that there's going to be a second thing, which is now that you've started a YouTube channel, now what's next? Okay, so I'm going to show you what's next. What's next is to make a video. I'm going to show you how to make a video, and after that, what's next? What's next is to edit your video. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, after you edit, what's next? You need to upload it. I'm going to show you how to upload. Okay, so these are going to be a series of short videos, okay, because I noticed that, you know, people don't spend a lot of time watching a video on YouTube. So I'm going to make them short and to the point so that I don't waste your time, the content that you need to get, without having to spend a whole lot of time. So it's going to be separate videos each, okay? So let's get started with how to start a YouTube channel. So the first step is how to start the channel. So the first thing you want to do to start a channel is to go to Google and create a Google account and an email separate from your regular email. You want to create a YouTube email. So, you know, so that your, you know, whatever you're doing on YouTube could just go to that email. Because if you use your regular email, you know, whatever you're doing on YouTube, they're going to send it to that email, and it's going to bombard that email. You don't want, you know, all your notifications, all your YouTube writing you, people commenting on your videos. You don't want all of that stuff in your regular email. So that's why you need to create a separate email account for your YouTube. Okay, so after you create the email account, then you go to youtube.com and create a YouTube channel. So what you need is a YouTube name. Okay, what name are you going to go with? So for instance, I chose Adacliff, and before I chose that name, I had other names that I wanted to use, but when I went there, those names were not available. They were already taken by somebody else. So that's what you might encounter when you go to youtube.com. But how to combat that is you have a name that you want to use. You enter it. If it's available, boom, you're done. If it's not available, YouTube will let you know, and then you can change it up and add something else to it. Like, for instance, if you're using Adacliff and it's not available, you can add I am Adacliff, or this is Adacliff, or Adacliff's TV. You know, change it up like that until YouTube accepts it. And then once that accepts it, that's it. That's your name on YouTube. You are now officially a YouTuber. And then the next thing you want to do is load the apps that you're going to use to make and upload your videos. The first app you need to download is YouTube app. And then the second app is YouTube Studio app. And then you need to each step. So I'm going to show you guys in this series of videos how to get to each step. Okay, so after you make your video, what's next? you need to edit your video. I'm going to make a video showing you how to edit, how I use KineMaster to edit my videos. Okay? Then after you edit your video, what's next? I mean, it sounds like a no-brainer. Yeah, the next thing is to upload it, but how? So I'm going to show you how to upload your video to YouTube after you have edited it. Okay, so these are the different videos that I'm going to make in this series. Okay, then after that, I'm going to show you the pros and cons of starting a YouTube channel. It's not all pros and it's not all cons. There are different issues that go along with starting a YouTube channel. So I am going to share that with you in this series as well. So that's it. So turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified when I post each of these videos. All right. And if you are already subscribed to me, thank you very much for subscribing. If you are not, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to me so that you can see everything else I'm posting. Okay. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you in my next video. Okay. Have a blessed day.